Welcome back. In this video, we are going to explore the value function and number value function in Excel. These functions help us convert text into numbers. These functions are especially helpful when the data looks like a number, but Excel doesn't treat it as one. So let's first understand the value function. The value function converts the text that looks like a number into actual numeric value that Excel can use for calculations. Sometimes when you import data from systems, PDFs, or CSVs, Excel treats numbers as text, which can mess up formulas and calculations. The syntax for the value function is simple. You just need one input, which is the text. Let's see how we can use the value function with the help of an example. In column G, we have the sales amount, and this sales amount is in a text format. So if we want to do any calculation, so for example, if we want to add all these numbers, it will not work as these numbers are in a text format. Let's quickly check this. So I type is equal to sum, and if I select the numbers, close the bracket and enter, so I get a 0 because these numbers are in a text format. To solve this problem, we can use the value function. So we will type is equal to value, bracket open, and then I'll select the text, close the bracket and enter. So now this data is in the numeric format. So I'll double click on this plus icon to copy this formula to the below cells. So now these numbers are in a numeric format. So if I want to calculate the sum, average, or any other calculations which I want to do, I'll be easily able to do it. Let's try with an example. So I'll quickly type is equal to sum, bracket open, select a few numbers, close the bracket and enter. So this is working. So this is how we can convert the text values into numeric values. Now let's discuss the number value function. Number value is more powerful compared to value. It allows you to specify decimal separators and grouping separators, which is extremely useful when dealing with international number formats. So the number value function requires three inputs. The first input is the text which you want to convert. The second input is the decimal separator, and the third one is group separator. So let's see how we can use the number value formula with the help of an example. So in this Excel, in column S, so we have the sales amount in a European format where we have 18, then decimal, which is the thousand separator, and then 302, comma 5. So comma is the decimal separator, and we want to convert this number into a value format or numeric format. To convert this number into a numeric value, we can use the number value formula. So we will type is equal to number value. The first input is the text, which is the text we want to convert, comma. The second input is the decimal separator. So in this case, the decimal separator is a comma. So within quotes, we'll type comma. And the third input is the group separator, which is the thousand separator, dot in this case. So within quotes, we'll type again dot, close the bracket and enter. This is a numeric value, and all the calculations will work on this value. So we can again copy this formula using Control C shortcut and then go down, press Control V to paste it. This is an example on how we can use the number value formula while dealing with international number formats. Hope you found this video useful. Thank you.